please.
Ma'am, my name is Shriya Shukla, and ma'am, I wanted to ask one more thing that, like on paper, the government, it appears that the state government's regulation on APMC may continue, but in reality, it will create two markets with completely different sets of rules, and the first people to move out and do trading in the new trade area and not in the mandis will be the existing traders and the commission agents, because they are most advantaged in doing so, because they have liquidity, they have relationship with farmers, they have some infrastructure, and and they don't want to trade anymore in the APMCs, and hence the APMCs will just collapse. So only the
That's
private,
a
like the private market will remain.
genuine fear which you have. That's a very genuine fear. But the thing is, APMCs have also not been doing very well. So अगर हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन ये भी आ जाता है जिससे कि फार्मर्स को कुछ ज्यादा फायदा हो सकता है, तो लाइक लेट्स गिव देम दैट ऑप्शन. लाइक अभी कोई प्याज के दाम के बारे में बता रहा था, तो अगर आप उस तरीके से सोचें कि वो जो प्याज का मार्केट प्राइस अगर डिटरमिन हो रहा है और वो फार्मर को, हालांकि वो एसेंशियल कमोडिटी है, हाउ मेनी पीपल विल बी एबल टू परचेज दैट इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. बट द थिंग इज कि अगर वो प्राइस फार्मर की जेब में चला जाए तो मे बी वी विल गेट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी. So, अभी इट्स टू अर्ली टू से ऑल दिस, बिकॉज अभी हमें थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा इस बिल के बारे में कि किस चीज का इम्पैक्ट कहाँ कैसा पड़ता है, और इम्पीरिकल डेटा जब तक नहीं होता तब तक किसी भी जजमेंट पे पहुंचना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट हाँ, स्टिल इट इज जेन्युइन फियर विच श्रेया इज posing.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I wanted to ask a question.
Yes, please.
मैम, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है दैट क्या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ऐसा हो सकता है दैट अगर क्रॉप डैमेज हो जाए या फिर लो हार्वेस्ट हो फिर भी फार्मर को एक कांस्टेंट इनकम प्रोवाइड हो?
Yes, that's what my suggestion is. You have lot of points, and I think all of you are giving very valid and very solid points. And as our chief guest and our judge from the agriculture department have just shared, that they are still in the making of the recommendations at the state level also. So I would definitely want Preeti ma'am to send you a message on the group that those of you who have participated can send me the points which you want that they should be incorporated, because every one of you has a very valid point, and then we can send it across to them, and if it is possible for them, then they can implement it somewhere and give you the proper recognition. So I think that way it's not कि आप छोटे हो तो आपके दिमाग में वो चीजें नहीं आती. Maybe कभी-कभी छोटे बच्चों से भी हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So definitely this is one of the methods in which we can take up your ideas, क्योंकि जो आपके fears हैं, एक हम SWOT एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं. तो आपके जो फियर्स हैं, जो आपके रिकमेंडेशंस हैं, प्लीज कंपाइल इट इन योर प्रेजेंटेशन एंड सेंड इट अक्रॉस टू प्रीति मैम, एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू सी हाउ वी कैन पुश इट to the government to get it across to the highest level. And as we have already got the invitation, those of you who are with me and who want to go to the farms to see the real picture once the COVID is slightly lower down, then you are most welcome to do it. Preeti, is the result ready?
Yes, ma'am. I WhatsApped it to you, ma'am.
Yes. So if
In fact,
if
there are
Srivastava
two
sir
girls
is
who got the
there-
same marks. Ma'am, there are two girls with the same marks, and for and as well as against.
Okay. So that's, you can give 2 certificates, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yes. So if Mr. Srivastava is there, the director of agriculture department, our chief guest. Or we can ask then deputy director and Fahim sir to announce the results. Or if they have left, then
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
okay, sir.
Our director has gone somewhere in meeting in additional.
No problem, sir. So we need your presence because you have judged these girls. And Fahim sir, are you also there?
Ma'am, sir is not there.
Acha, sir has left, उनका connection हो गया. Anyway, so I will request sir to announce the results.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have just one girl for in the winner. There's some Ishanvi is for the she's the one who's for the winner for. Ma'am, please correct it.
Oh no, so you speak the winners. You speak the
Ma'am,
winner.
the winner we got Ishanvi is the winner.
Ishanvi Pandey.
Yeah, she's from Team H.
H.
Ishanvi
motion.
Pandey. For the motion. Best
Yeah.
speaker for the motion. Please,
Yes.
Ishanvi, can you come on the screen?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, Ishanvi, you have won the best speaker for the motion. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ishanvi.
Thank you, sir.
Then, Preeti.
Thank you, sir.
Against the motion, ma'am, we've got again Shivangi Pandey and Mariam. There's a tie. Both have scored the same marks.
Okay.
Shivangi
So,
Pandey
we can
and
give 2 prizes, 2 certificates to both of them, I think.
yeah, Mariam is from Team F and Shivangi is from Team I.
Okay. Can we see you, both of you? Ishanvi, what? Mariam and?
Mariam and Shivangi Pandey.
Okay. Mariam there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Congratulations, beta. There is a tie, but I don't want to, segregate that or make another question because I think both are equally good. That's why judges have given both of you equal marks. So, congratulations
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, sir. And ma'am, the best team.
Who are the winners for against? It means it again needs a lot of debate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, the best team is Team I.
Okay.
They've scored the highest marks. So Team I is Kashish Rana and Shivangi Pandey.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, congratulations, Kashish and Shivangi, for the best team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And everyone else did also very well, I must say. You have a lot of ideas. And it's a good, healthy discussion which we did today. Shreya, now you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you everyone for your beneficial comments. With this, we come to the end of the debate competition. It was indeed a very good experience. Congratulations to all the participants present here for not only being a part of this competition, but also for cooperating with us. Also, thank you so much, judges, Principal Ma'am, Anupma Ma'am, and all the other faculty members for your presence in this competition in spite of your busy schedule, thereby making it all the more memorable. Thank you so much everyone for your cooperation. Now I would like to invite our head of the Department of Economics, Dr. Mrs. Anupama Srivastava, for a vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shreya. So, since we have to always do a formal thank you, that's why on behalf of Postgraduate Department of Economics, Isabella Thoburn College, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. A.P. Srivastava, sir, who has very kindly and graciously accepted our invitation, and also nominating Deputy Director, sir, to judge the whole presentations and giving a result. So, although it involved a lot of time from your side, sir, but really thank you to Dr. A.P. Srivastava, sir, for giving this opportunity to us. And he has invited me so many times to his office. And definitely, I'm looking forward to meeting you all in the Agriculture Department office and making some more plans for the future, because of the COVID, we were not able to really meet in person. But it was, yes, sir. So it was really a big thank you to sir. Then I would also like to thank Mr. A.K. Srivastava, Deputy Director, Agriculture Department, Government of UP, who has very kindly judged the whole event, asked you proper questions, and enlightened us on so many aspects which we never thought of. So and proposing us an invitation to visit their farms in Sandila and other places, which we are really looking forward to, sir. So thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
would also like to thank Dr. Fahim Uddin Siddiqui, sir. I think he lost the connection, but I have very good memories for Dr. Fahim. He has been my guide, my mentor when I was doing my research. So a very big thank you to Dr. Fahimuddin Siddiqui for sparing his time and, sharing his knowledge with our students. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank our patron, Dr. Mrs. E.S. Charles, and our principal, Dr. Mrs. Vinita Prakash, for giving us all these motivation and inspiration for conducting these programs, which are relevant and on a very updated topics. And we have got that freedom to do it. So that's why I wanted to say a big thank you to both of them. I would also like to thank the participants from other colleges and especially the teachers who prepared them and motivated them to join us on this platform and make this intercollegiate debate a success. So thank you to Dr. Sharmita and to the students from her college who have come here and shared their views, and we would definitely looking forward to the participation from some more colleges in future. Since it's online mechanism, so it's a big challenge for every one of us, but I think we have really sailed in a proper manner, and this debate has been a proof of that. I would also like to thank my faculty, my fellow colleagues in the department, Mrs. Preeti Sharma and Dr. Amita Marwa, who has always been, I have been troubling them with all these proposals, but it is really, a good performance and a good debate competition which they organized, and all these minutest details which they looked after. And last but not the least, I would like to thank my students, my members of the ITSEF committee, who have worked long day and night to plan and to strategize and to give this program a final shape. So, and last but not the least, thank God for Almighty for making this program a success. So thank you very much to all of you. So now we will be closing the meeting, and results you have already been announced. Preeti, if you want to share something, or we'll close it.
Yeah, all I'd like to say is the student body has put in great efforts, and we've been, as you said, ma'am, we've been constantly struggling and pushing them for this. So it was great work. And of course, by God's grace, everything ended well. And credit, of course, goes to Dr. Srivastav, who gave us, this opportunity to put up the whole thing. And I think the winners deserve all the congratulations. That's it, ma'am. I think
some notice which you want to share with them, like you will be distributing feedback.
Yeah, the certificates, because we've got their emails. So we'll be sending the certificates to the winners as well as the participants.
I think the first thing which participants are requested to submit the feedback form as well as their presentations. And as soon as you will submit that, you will be getting the certificates, winning certificates for you, as well as the participation certificates.